Hello, welcome to my video of unboxing the Smatree extended battery and phone adapters bracket. So it comes in a box like this. So it has the extended battery and the phone adapter, so make it more stable. Cables, and now you get a whole boxes of stuff, small boxes in there. This feels a little heavy, so let's see what's this in here. Okay, so here's one of the brackets, and okay, some more brackets and the 1/4 inch screws, and then I think this is the battery. Yep. Oh no, this is actually the stand, the bottom stand. So this can actually open up and used as a stand. Wow, this is actually pretty substantial. This is heavy. I thought that was just like cheap plastic, but it's not. I think there's some metal parts. Yeah, aluminum. Wow. This is the battery. It's actually pretty much the same weight as the stand. Okay. Oh, okay, so this already is ready to install. Let's see. Tilt it a little bit higher, maybe. Yeah, so this now has this thing, and I don't know if you can see inside. There is a USB-C adapter thing sticking out, so be careful when you mount it. Okay, so let's see if that works. So here's the DJI Osmo Pocket, and it's gonna just go land in there. I hope it won't scratch it. Oh, okay. This is actually a clamping design, so I should release it and then lock it. Oh, there you go. It's a little long. I'm gonna have to zoom out. Alright, so you can actually hold it like this and start filming and stuff. It's very sturdy. Wow, I like it. It has a very smooth, velvety feeling grip, and right now I can turn it on, which is like this. Oh, it's charging. Okay. Okay, so at the bottom, I can screw this on, and this become a stand. Wow, that's nice. That's very sturdy. That's what I needed. So this can actually go onto my tripod, my big camera tripod. Yeah, so that's pretty much the unboxing. I'm gonna have to organize stuff and set up the brackets for the phone adapter. I guess that concludes the unboxing, and I hope you like this unboxing. I will have a video to review the bracket. Alright, I'll see you next time.